Stoicism isn't just ancient history. It's the secret weapon you need to crush every day in 2024. What stands in the way becomes the way. These words, penned over 2 millennia ago by Marcus Aurelius, seem remarkably tailored to our common modern endeavour, the pursuit of goals. In an era marked by rapid technological advancement and constant change, the Stoic emphasis on resilience, purpose, and virtue subtly beckons, from the philosophical texts of ancient times to the bustling offices and serene home workspaces of 2024. Combining ancient wisdom with contemporary strategies for goal setting not only enriches the process, but provides a robust framework for achieving unparalleled personal and professional success. Thus, the question we seek to explore: how can Stoic wisdom fundamentally transform our approach to conquering our ambitious goals this year? In this essay, we will delve into this question, breaking down the principles of Stoic philosophy as it applies to today's practices of setting and pursuing meaningful objectives. Whether you are striving to escalate your career to new heights, enrich your personal life, or even contribute significantly to your community, the insights offered here are tailored to foster clarity, enhance resilience, and ensure that your actions are in harmony with your deepest values. Stoicism, originating in the Hellenistic period of the late 3rd century BC, is more than a philosophy of quiet endurance. It is a robust framework for living with intention and integrity. Founded by Zeno of Citium and later expounded upon by philosophers such as Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius, Stoicism teaches the cultivation of self-control and fortitude as a means of overcoming destructive emotions. The Stoics posited that the path to happiness is found in accepting the moment as it presents itself, by not allowing oneself to be controlled by the desire for pleasure or fear of pain, and by practicing mindfulness, wisdom, and virtues in alignment with nature. This ancient school of thought empowers individuals to lead more fulfilling lives by focusing on what truly matters, stripping away the inessentials that often cloud our judgments and actions. By understanding these foundational concepts, one can begin to see how Stoicism applies not only to the pursuit of personal tranquility, but also to more practical aspects of life like goal achievement. The Stoic approach to setting goals begins with discerning what is truly valuable and what is within one's power to achieve. In the famous dichotomy of control, Epictetus contended that some things are up to us and others are not. Applied to modern goal setting, this principle demands that we separate our aims into what we can directly affect and what we can only influence indirectly. Begin by defining clear, actionable objectives that align with your deepest values, what the Stoics referred to as preferred indifference. This might mean refining personal and professional ambitions to ensure that they serve not just transient desires, but promote growth in virtue and wisdom. In this part of the process, it helps to ask, will this goal help me grow as a virtuous, wise, and resilient person? If the answer aligns with Stoic values, you've set a conducive direction for your endeavours in 2024. A cornerstone of Stoic teaching is understanding what lies within our control, our actions, feelings, and judgments, and what does not, such as the reactions of others, the market economy, or the weather. This distinction is crucial when pursuing goals, as it helps mitigate frustration and unnecessary stress. When setting goals, consider the extendable influence of your actions. For instance, While you cannot control the outcome of a job application entirely, you can significantly influence it through meticulous preparation, leveraging network connections and tailoring your expertise to fit the job description. This involves cultivating a proactive rather than reactive mindset, actively engaging with your circumstances within the constraints of what you can manage. Utilizing this Stoic insight can drastically reduce feelings of powerlessness and increase effectiveness in your goal-oriented actions. To the Stoics, the unexamined life was not worth living. Reflection and mindfulness were not merely exercises in self-indulgence, but essential practices to live a purposeful life, aligned with virtue and reason. Daily reflection, particularly through journaling, can act as a powerful tool to solidify lessons learned, to contextualize failures and successes, and to align daily actions with broader goals. It provides a quiet moment to reassess, recalibrate, and recommit to your objectives with a clear and focused mindset. Moreover, mindfulness, being present in the moment, enables you to respond to life's ups and downs with equanimity, keeping you grounded and consistent in your pursuit of goals, despite the inevitable challenges that arise. Stoicism teaches that obstacles are not merely to be endured but transformed into opportunities. Marcus Aurelius famously stated, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." This perspective is vital for anyone aiming to achieve significant goals, particularly in dynamic and unpredictable environments. By viewing challenges as integral parts of the journey and opportunities for growth, you harness the core of Stoic resilience. This approach not only prepares you mentally for potential setbacks, but also invigorates your problem-solving skills, pushing you to innovate and adapt rather than surrender. Cultivating resilience involves embracing discomfort as a pathway to progress. When faced with setbacks, instead of shrinking back, Stoic wisdom encourages asking, "What can this teach me?" This reframes obstacles as lessons rather than barriers, transforming your path to goal attainment into a continuous learning experience. Stoicism isn't just a theoretical framework. It's a practical philosophy meant to be lived. Integrating Stoic virtues, wisdom, justice, courage, and temperance into daily routines is essential for aligning one's actions with their goals. This consistent practice cultivates a character strong enough to pursue and achieve ambitious targets. One practical method is to set daily intentions that reflect Stoic virtues. For example, you might decide to focus on courage by tackling a difficult task at work, or justice by ensuring your actions consider the well-being of others. Over time, these practices build a robust moral character, fundamentally essential for sustained success and fulfillment. This daily integration ensures that each step taken is not just toward an external goal, but also toward becoming a better, more virtuous individual, reflective of true Stoic success. To illustrate the impact of Stoicism in a contemporary setting, consider the example of a tech startup CEO who adopts Stoic principles to guide his company through a tumultuous period. Facing fierce competition and internal challenges, he utilized Stoic wisdom to maintain focus and inspire his team. By focusing on what was within their control, innovation and quality of service, and accepting market conditions as they were, the team managed to pivot their strategy effectively. The CEO's commitment to Stoic virtues fostered a culture of resilience and integrity, which not only helped overcome immediate obstacles, but also laid the groundwork for long-term sustainability and growth. This case study demonstrates how Stoic principles can be effectively applied in leadership and management, turning potential setbacks into stepping stones for success. Long-term success does not come from achieving one or two goals, but from establishing a sustainable way of operating that can continually adapt and grow. Stoicism, with its emphasis on inner strength and virtue, provides a powerful foundation for such sustainability. Incorporating Stoic practices into your routine, such as morning reflections, ethical decision-making, and facing fears, can transform not just your goal setting, but your entire approach to life and work. It encourages a balance between achieving external objectives and nurturing internal growth, leading to a fulfilling and resilient career and life. As we navigate the complexities of the modern world, the ancient philosophy of Stoicism offers more than just a toolkit for achieving goals. It offers a way to live a more meaningful and contented life. By applying the principles of clarity, control, resilience, and virtue to our goal-setting practices, we can not only achieve what we set out to do, but also become more grounded, wise, and resilient individuals. Embracing Stoic wisdom in 2024 might be the key to not just surviving another year of challenges, but thriving amidst them. Here's to a year of thoughtful action, profound growth, and meaningful achievements. The path may be fraught with obstacles, but with Stoicism, we find that indeed what stands in the way becomes the way. With these insights and practices, you are well equipped to crush your 2024 goals using the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy. May your actions reflect your highest values, and your achievements bring not just success, but also true fulfillment and peace.